Broskies, we're back at Harvey's house. We just cleaned the rocks because they were on the way, and I think we're gonna do some skids.
Oh, you got no tires, huh?
I have no tires, way.
You got tires? Carlos.
I'll let you slide my car away.
Nah, güey.
Dale, güey.
Ya ando pedo,
Yo
güey.
también ando pinche pedo, güey. We've been drinking way too much, güey. Está cabrón. Es más, I'll do it in the quad, güey.
That's not like, give me the last one, güey, because they're used to like a drink.
Oh, shit. Así no me caigo a la verga. We're gonna try to do some hoonigan type of shit right here. Hey, wey, con que no la voy a pegar a la pinche ladder, si no va a valer madre right here. Push it forward.
I need a tire. Yeah.
Cálmate, Philly. Just don't hit the wing, way.
I can't reach.
His son is clapping. Tú dale, wey.
Hey boys, cheers, motherfucker. I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna get on the roof right there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philly. I almost sound like him. All right, let's get up here. Look at. Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm climbing this house. Get a good look. There you go. You guys want to come over? Yeah. All right. My neighbor wants to come over. So that's what a quarantine does when you get bored.
When you're on lockdown, está cabrón.
Alright.
Hey, when the track is closed, huh?
The track is closed.
Hey guys. Christian's done with his rear seat delete. Chingon.
Did he almost die?
No, he seemed pretty normal.
Looks pretty fresh.
He got lucky.
Was he bald?
I think so. He's a taller guy, yeah. The only one's taller.
Same here.
You're like, is he tall? I'm like, could be. To me, sure.
We about to take off, broskies. That's it. Call it a day. It's Sunday today, so we gotta go home. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ugh! My bag is heavy.
Te digo que si corre esta madre, güey.
Sí, güey. De bajada nomás. Puro pinche yonke.
You're not gonna cover?
Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.